FCCLA is excited to provide chapter and state associations with the ability to pay their invoice by remote check. This means no more worrying about checks arriving on time, incurring costs to overnight a payment when backed up against a deadline, or requiring payments to be temporarily placed on an advisor's personal card until the check arrives. Chapter and state advisors can simply log into the FCCLA portal, submit the check information, and their invoices will be updated in real time as if their check was mailed to the national headquarters. When you log into the FCCLA portal using your unique username and password, proceed to the Invoices tab. If you have an open invoice to pay, you will see a red Pay Invoices button located in the top left side of the screen. Select this button. The top half of this page will show you the invoices that you can pay. Select the invoices you want to pay either by individually selecting the invoice or use the Pay All Invoice button. Please verify that the total amount selected ties to the amount of the check. If you scroll down to the bottom half of the page, you'll see two payment options, pay by credit card and the new payment option of pay by remote check. Click on the pay by remote check to expand this box. If you pay by remote check, you will need to enter the following information. First, the payer name. This will be the name on the upper left-hand side of the check. It's usually the school name or activity fund. Next, you'll need to enter the bank name, which will be located on the check. Next, you'll need to enter the account type. Using the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side of the box, you can select between checking or savings account. On the next row, you'll need to enter your first and last name. This information is for tracking purposes only, so we know who to contact if there is an issue with payment. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. This email will be attached as a reference for payment only. Copies of the receipt will not be sent here since the system automatically emails the receipt to the primary advisor. On the next line, you'll need to enter the bank routing number. This can usually be found on the bottom of the check and is typically a 9-digit number. Next, you'll be asked to enter the bank account number, which can also be found at the bottom of the check. You will then be asked to re-enter the bank account number to verify its accuracy. On the next line, you'll be asked to enter the account usage type. Using the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to select between business and personal. For the majority of FCCLA chapters, you'll be selecting a business account. On the next field here, you'll be asked to enter the check reference number, which can usually be located in the upper right-hand side of the check. Below here, you'll find the billing address. This typically is the school's address and is pre-populated using the billing address entered into on the chapter information screen. If the address here is not correct, please update accordingly. Once you review all of this information for accuracy, please select the Pay button located at the bottom of the screen. Assuming the information was entered correctly, your invoice will show as paid in full and payment will be reflected in real time. If there is an error, a pop-up message will notify you of the error and how it should be corrected. Please save a copy of the check for 14 days and endorse at the back of the check with the date noting paid by remote check. If you experience any problems, please call our office at 703-476-4900. Thank you.